Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's take a look at what we'll be expecting for the next day on GBP USD. So we will start from the daily time frame down to our 15 minutes time frame. So we can see on this our daily time frame, market is literally ranging within this level. This top will be taken as our resistance and this bottom will be taken as the support level. So you can see that within this daily time frame, market is literally ranging within this level. Until market drops to clear this low, then we are going to take it as a downtrend move. If market does not do that, then we will see it as a ranging market move. So let's roll down to the forward time frame. As you can see it here clearly, that we had this drop. Let's start from here. We had this movement that came to tap our resistance, and then there was a drop that came to tap our support. Market eventually came back to test our resistance, and then they dropped to our support. We can see market rallied, tapped our resistance, and dropped to our support level. So we will be expecting that continuous movement to come to tap our resistance level. So we will be expecting a little bit of a pullback and then one more push up. So we would expect that higher high and that higher low to taps our resistance level. So let's roll down to the 1 hour time frame. So we can see it on the 1 hour time frame. We can see that this is the first higher high, and here is the higher low. Here is the higher high, and here is the higher low. So this here is our higher high. Here comes the higher low, which is still playing. Once it plays out finish, then we should be expecting a new higher high. So we will continue that movement till it taps our resistance level. So our forecast for the next day is a bullish move. So we should be expecting market to actually give us a bullish move for the day. So follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. You will find the link in the comment section.